guys, here we go again. We have another special unboxing video. I'm not sure if it's from Amazon or whatnot, but definitely check them out. Links will be down below. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. But to find out what's inside, I have no idea. We're about to find out though. I can't believe how fast this month is moving. We are rolling. There we go. Oh boy. Should be interesting. Man. Peekaboo. Oh boy. Yeah. Alright, what is this? These are nice and secured. What is this? Oh. Okay, I think I know what this is. That is tea time. Oh, you guys. London, England. Oh, the British people. This one's up your guys' alley. Something fancy. But there's a lot of people in the U.S. who do mind drinking a cup of tea in the morning. Yeah, this is fancy dancy. Oh man, that's why it's heavenly bubble wrapped. We got some cups here. Oh yeah. It's been a long time since I had tea. Long time. Man, these are nice looking cups. Glasses. I'm not sure if there's a different name for them. Ooh. Fancy. Alright, let's get this one out. There's more, so. Ooh. Nice gold plated. Bone bound. Right, deep inside. Make sure you wash them, for use. Really nice. Got them going around. Yeah, there we go. Okay, we got another one. So, this is gonna be nice, like for family get-togethers for the holiday season coming up. I'm not sure if England has different. Well, I'm sure they have different holidays. So, for Mum's Day and stuff like that, parties. They got different colors. Oh, I'll be right back. Alright guys, so now you get 6 cups. Looking nice. Like I said, definitely check them out. Give these a good wash when you get them. Really nice size. There we go. Nice handle. Really nice color though. But they do have also different colors. Then you get there's a pot. The teacup. Teapot. Nice nozzle. Got the gold. Yeah, this is definitely a fancy one. Nice little handle. Yeah, definitely gotta clean it out. It's alright though. That's what dishwasher's for. And you get the plates. Really nice design. I think this is how it goes. I've seen it on TV. Look at that. Boom. Kind of lines up with the artwork. That's pretty cool. So you get all 6 plates, that, cups, and this little rack. So I think, see the handle? He's got to put it together. There's like 2. You just look at there and there. So pretty easy, portable. Maybe like this. I'm not sure. Like I said, I never dealt with a tea set, so this is definitely a nice one. And check them out. Links will be down below. But yeah, definitely got some bling to it. And nice conversation piece to have also for your family get-togethers. Really cool. But you can always have it like that. But yeah, I'm not sure about the rack. But I'm sure that the plates probably go down there or probably up there. So, not sure how you guys do it. But yeah, look at that. Bling bling. Let's take the back side. Whoa. Got some shine to it. Alright, YouTubers, you guys be safe. Have a good night.